Ah, day 32 of day 30. Now, this is an interesting thing because I meant to stop at 30, but I the phone was out of battery, so I put it on the charger, and then I was like, well, I'll go 31, and then I'll make a video, and then 31 happened. I passed out. I didn't even brush my teeth. But anyways, tonight would be the 32nd night that I've been doing this for every morning and every night. I brush my teeth with baking soda, just baking soda, nothing else. And I'm going to do that again right now. Let's go. Okay, good to go. Aha. So, what do I think? I look in the mirror. What I think is the biggest difference has been definitely the improvement of my gums. I believe that mine are better now than there was whenever I first started. But overall, the whiteness has kind of stayed the same, to be honest. I've been using toothpaste that hasn't had any fluoride in it for years now, and I've been brushing my teeth the exact same. As far as any shades of yellow diminishing, I can't really tell too much. Since I drink coffee every single morning, coffee generally stains the teeth, and so I can't really tell. After brushing my teeth with baking soda for 30 plus days, non-stop, morning and evening, do I feel like stopping? In a way, I don't. In a way, I kind of want to bring this to 90 days. Or maybe even like go a whole year. But to be honest, I don't think I'm that guy. It tastes nasty. Brushing your teeth with baking soda, straight baking soda, doesn't taste good. And I really miss just using regular toothpaste. So, would I recommend brushing your teeth with baking soda straight? I would recommend it if you have really bad teeth to begin with, like some either cavities or tartar problems or heavy plaque. I think baking soda is a great solution to rapidly start the cleansing process of your teeth. By that point, you might as well just go to the dentist and have a full cleaning, and then just brush your teeth normally. Since I didn't see any significant improvements than I already have. I don't think going 90 days or even a year would change much than I already have. I already have pretty good teeth, where there's no cavities, not really any tartar problems anymore. Plaque, I don't think as much plaque as it is just staining from coffee, drinking coffee every single morning. So, anyways, very interesting. I did 30 days, 32 days total on my teeth, and once again, not bad. It's not bad, but I prefer the taste of toothpaste. So this is where this test will end, and that's all from me. Until the next video. Bye.